Hi guys! Today we are learning how to enable MMS on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage your messaging and network-related settings. Now, tap the search bar near the bottom of the settings screen and type Messages. When the Messages option appears, tap on it to open the messaging settings. Once you're in the Messages settings, scroll down until you find the MMS Messaging option. It's usually located below Send as SMS or Send as text message, depending on your iOS version and region. If the MMS messaging option is available, tap the toggle to enable it. This allows your iPhone to send and receive picture messages and other multimedia messages through your mobile carrier. If you don't see the MMS messaging option, first make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If it's still missing, your carrier or region may not support MMS, or your carrier settings may need to be updated. In that case, you'll need to contact your mobile carrier for assistance. And that's how you can enable MMS on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.